What's up, guys? Chris Martinez coming to you live from the Woodlands, Texas. Man, I hope you guys are having a phenomenal fall season. This is, if you're like us, you're in your busy season, and man, it's cranking, dude. We're busy. Haven't been doing too many Facebook Lives just because of that reason. We're so busy right now. I want to talk to you about overcoming those objections. You know, especially when you get first started in business, there could be so many objections. And I'll give you an example. One of them being that we always talk about is that you just cost too much. You know, when a customer tells you that, that's an objection. It's a price objection. So what you want to do is find your objections, turn your weaknesses into your strengths. So for instance, you know, we are an expensive company out here, and one thing that we do really well is talk people into using our services. Sorry. So for instance, man, have a script, make scripts. Like, you know, if price is an objection for a lot of your customers, you know what? I can't wait for a customer to ask me, hey, why are you so expensive? Please ask me. You know what? Because now we have a script for it. It's like an elevator pitch. Man, as soon as you ask me why, we're going to tell you. And so, you know, turn those objections, guys, whatever the objection is. If it's a price situation, write a script out. Have it. As soon as they ask you that question, you already have an answer for them. And you got to, you know, say it demanding, say it with authority. And so, I mean, you're going to have a ton of objections out there, guys. And the one that I see the most is price. Listen, there's no such thing as too much, man. I mean, seriously, guys, I'll show you this real quick. This house right here, $1,000 will get charged for this house right here. Let me tell you something. I had to overcome an objection because another company came in at about $600, and you know what? That's fine. And here's what we did. Like, hey, man, we're not the cheapest. We're actually probably the most expensive company, but here's why. And we tell them why, and we let them decide on the value of why. But guys, whatever the objection is, it could be anything, man. Overcome it. Make it a script. Man, turn your weaknesses into your strengths. You know what I mean? You shouldn't have any objections when it comes to business, guys. You should be overcoming those objections. You're entrepreneurs. You're problem solvers, okay? Don't let the problem run you over. I got to get back to work, guys. Hey, I'm going to make a Facebook video here later on about estimates. I know a couple questions on estimates on in-person estimates or over the phone. 90% of our estimates are over the phone. I've been having a lot of questions on how to do estimates over the phone, so I want to make a video about that later on because it's much easier over the phone, and you have to overcome a lot of objections when you do it over the phone. So we're going to talk about that later on, guys. I got to get back to work. Get out there and make y'all some money, overcome those objections, get you some job. It's almost Christmas time, man. Put some presents underneath that tree, baby. Come on.